Hello everyone, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. Flashing fake news on news channels and spreading false propaganda has become a norm in Pakistan. When the Dunia News TV flashed the news that 158 Indian soldiers had been killed by China at Doklam, it was clear that the news was indeed fake. The news was being reported at a time when neither India nor China had spoken about any confrontation. The Dawn TV too aired a similar report. Indian officials say that it's clear that both the channels fell prey to the false propaganda spread by the ISI and Pakistan Army. It may be recalled that the Ministry for External Affairs had said that the news is completely baseless. The official also said that the fake clips of Chinese rockets being launched into India was also provided by the army in Pakistan. Dunia News had run a news in which it claimed that 158 Indian soldiers had been killed in a rocket strike by China. The news report, which was published amidst the standoff between India and China, was denied by India, which called it malicious propaganda. A report in the People's Daily of China said that the Chinese embassy in India had noticed the report and denounced its authenticity. The report also said that some Pakistani media outlets claimed that the fake news was based on unverified information from the social media and internet. The Global Times also published a report calling the Pakistani media report as completely fake. Well, officials say it appears to be a well thought out strategy on part of Pakistan. While India and China are in a standoff for the past 5 weeks, Pakistan is trying to add fuel to the fire. There has been no resolution as yet between India and China, and both countries are looking for a diplomatic resolution. India is confident that there would be a solution in sight soon. In the middle of this, the machinery in Pakistan feels that it can add fuel to the fire by circulating such fake clips and spreading false propaganda. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.